80% of the homes that will exist in 2050 already exist here today. So retrofit is a real solution going forward. My name is Dr Barry McCarron and I'm a Chartered Architectural Technologist and Managing Director of Core Retrofit. The challenges are significant. The built environment accounts for 40% of all global emissions per housing stock, and fuel poverty is a persistent issue in lots of areas, but also the drive to net zero. Retrofit really addresses this. Core Retrofit offers a full house solution with respect to retrofit, and my home project was no different. Our bungalows was a 1970s bungalow. It suffered from drafts, it had mold, it had condensation, and it had huge swings in temperature. We really addressed all of those and yielded a quality outcome by really insulating the floors, the walls, the roof, looking after the thermal bridging. External wall insulation is a big feature of our home. We have 200 mil thick EPS insulation, which was manufactured here at Core Insulation. We introduced triple glazed windows. We had an air tightness strategy for the building, and then we employed a mechanical heat recovery ventilation system. And all of that comes together to reduce the energy demand, so that when we introduced renewable energies, we really got bang for our buck. The passive house standard for retrofit is called Retrofit, and that's within our portfolio of services here. My own home, we were able to reach the passive house standard as well. You see quite a modest home, but when you go inside, you really do experience the comfort firsthand. And with some of the architectural interventions that we employed as well, it has a different feel, a different space, one that is maybe a little bit more surprising than what you think when you walk into a bungalow. It performs very, very well. So you're talking about the price of a cappuccino a day in terms of energy costs. That accrues over the year to about €1,000 in full running costs. The outcome was that we've an award-winning house, and I'm very proud of that. We were actually able to win numerous awards, but really the highlight was the AT Awards. As a Chartered Architectural Technologist, to come away with an award from the peers is really a highlight of my career. So retrofit's really the solution going forward for the built environment, quite simply because you utilise what already exists. We do not have to break into greenfield. We do not have to carve out and dig up more and more and more materials. In Ireland, for example, there is 250,000 vacant and derelict buildings. So if we can retrofit those homes, then we've made a really good intervention in terms of housing policy, building policy, and address carbon emissions as well. A typical architectural technologist would have an excellent mindset for retrofit because it's a lovely blend of looking at design, but also bringing into play really high quality technical detailing, the technology and the building physics, the building science. It really is a significant opportunity for the profession to be leading in the whole space of retrofit, I feel. What I'm most proud about with the building is that we have a high performing home, and for me and my family, and particularly for the kids, a healthy home. It really is where the industry needs to be going for a cleaner, better future.